Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
Welcome back to LuoEnglish Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina. We're excited today because it's Christmas Day. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
And this video is just to wish you a Merry Christmas, but also to teach you some words that you can talk about during Christmas. If you're going back to your family over Christmas, Jesus is called Yesu.
Yesu.
Or Nyathi Nyasaye.
Yeah.
Okay? So, Christmas is Nyuol mar Yesu.
Nyuol mar Yesu.
So, Nyuol mar Yesu is about Christmas and the birth of Jesus. So, this time round, but the Luos have this thing called SIKU.
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 So, SIKU means you know the Swahili version of SIKU.
SIKU. Oh,
SIKU. Okay?
Yeah.
So that SIKU, it was shortened to SIKU. So Luos say SIKU. Now when they say SIKU, they mean Christmas. Okay? So, so if you hear SIKU, they mean Christmas. Okay? You can call somebody and tell them, Ibed kod SIKU maber.
Ibed kod SIKU maber.
Yes, that means have a beautiful Christmas. Have a wonderful Christmas. Or, Nyuol gine. Yesu, Ibed kod chieng mar nyuol Yesu maber.
Ibed kod chieng mar nyuol mar Yesu
maber. You see, that's a long thing. So we just said, okay, bed gi SIKU maber. Cham SIKU maber.
Cham SIKU maber.
Yeah, eat Christmas well, you know, because Christmas is related to feasting and, you know, all these other making merry and joy and things like that. Okay?
Okay.
So, SIKU is Christmas. Okay? So, bed gi SIKU maber.
Bed gi SIKU maber.
Good.
Make sure you subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification, never miss anything. Remember, we started this channel on 1st of January 2019, the challenge, the Luo challenge, when Nikki did not know how to speak Luo. And now we are on the brink of 2020. She's almost starting to speak. She now knows most of the words. I hope that if you've been following us, I hope you've learned a lot. And we urge you to go back to the videos and watch if you've not learned, so that you just know how to talk the Luo. Remember, language is about talking. So if you don't talk, you'll not do anything. Okay? So next year, we want to make better challenges. We want to invite guest speakers. If you are a guest out there, if you want to get into this channel and teach other people the Luo language, we welcome you. Please get to our comment section below and talk to us. We can arrange how we can do this. And what else? And Nikki has her own channel now. Maybe we'll link it up somewhere here or here. So you can go and see what she does in her channel. It's totally different from the Luo thing that we're doing here.
Very different.
So she's just trying out stuff. You can give her suggestions, comments. Oh, and you can subscribe. She has, I think she has 1 subscriber.
No, I have 6.
She has 6 subscribers. But we thank you so much for staying with us the entire year and watching our videos, commenting.
Our platforms are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube.
Yes.
LuoEnglish.
Created a Patreon page. We created a Facebook. We've had a Facebook channel for a long time. We created a Twitter handle. We created a website. So please just visit all these channels and you can advise us because we just want to encourage people to speak Luo. So if you're one of the enthusiasts, we encourage you to contact us. Any of these methods will be able to work out something with you. Otherwise, Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year 2020. Cham SIKU maber. Oriti.
Goodbye.
Watch me cham SIKU maber.
Cham SIKU maber.
Oriti.
Oriti.
Wanenore.
Wanenore.
Higa nyien.
Higa nyien.
Wanenore higa manyien.
Wanenore higa manyien.
Koro chak manyien. Cham skuku maber, oriti wanenore higa manyien.
Okay. Cham skuku maber, oriti
Wanenore.
wanenore higa manyien. Oriti